Have you ever wondered about the hidden power of your navel? This unassuming body part holds incredible potential for improving your health and well-being. The navel, or belly button, is considered the second brain due to its unique connection to the body's energy systems and vital organs. Here is why. Energy centers. The navel is a key energy center, linking to the solar plexus chakra, manipura, and the vagus nerve. Nerve endings. The navel area contains a high concentration of nerve endings, influencing the brain, gut, and entire body. Gut-brain connection. The navel is connected to the gut through the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the little brain. Hormone regulation. The navel influences hormone production, particularly insulin, adrenaline, and cortisol. So, a second brain also needs the same attention as we do for our first brain. Here is the best part: how to fuel the second brain. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant oil. Applying it to your navel can offer numerous benefits. How oil application works. 1. Transdermal absorption. Oil molecules are absorbed through the skin, entering the bloodstream and lymphatic system. 2. Hormonal regulation. Certain oils, sesame, coconut, influence hormone production, balancing the endocrine system. 3. Nerve stimulation. Massage and oil application stimulate nerves, affecting the brain, spinal cord, and organs. 4. Lymphatic drainage. Oil helps cleanse the lymphatic system, removing toxins and promoting immunity. How castor oil works wonders. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant oil. Benefits of daily castor oil application on the navel. 1. Digestive health. Stimulates digestion, reduces inflammation, and improves gut health. 2. Hormone balance. Regulates insulin, adrenaline, and cortisol levels. 3. Energy and vitality. Boosts energy, reduces fatigue, and enhances mental clarity. 4. Immune system. Enhances immunity, reduces inflammation. 5. Skin and hair. Nourishes skin, promotes healthy hair growth. By incorporating navel therapy with castor oil into your routine, you can tap into this hidden potential and experience the benefits for yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below.